Smart remotes have revolutionized how we interact with our electronic devices, bringing convenience and control to our fingertips. Gone are the days of searching for multiple remote controls to operate different devices. An intelligent remote consolidates various remote functions into one intuitive device, simplifying our entertainment experience. In this video, we break down the 5 best smart remotes in the market. Our dedicated team has spent countless hours conducting thorough research to carefully select and evaluate the best products, all to give you reliable recommendations you can trust. You can find the purchase link all over the products mentioned in this video down in the description below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1, Logitech Harmony Ultimate One Remote. The Logitech Harmony Ultimate One Remote has a touchscreen, which dramatically simplifies controlling your devices and their settings. You can touch a command on the screen, such as Watch TV. The Harmony Ultimate will automatically find the appliances that operate your television and turn them on. Customization is also easy with this component, allowing you to reorganize buttons, program up to 23 of your favorite channels, and guide icons the way you like. The remote has a touchscreen, greatly simplifying controlling your devices. You can touch a command on the screen, such as Watch TV. The Harmony Ultimate will automatically find the appliances that operate your television and turn them on. The Harmony Hub right side of the above picture, included with this remote kit, provides an infrared repeater and Bluetooth capabilities. The remote has a rechargeable battery, charging as it rests inside the accompanying cradle. Number 2, SofaButton U1 Universal Remote. The SofaButton U1 Universal Remote customized smartphone app has one-button settings and no need to enter complex code to pair. Simple control for the whole house, only one remote, ditch all your complex remotes, just one remote for you. Compatible with Roku, Kodi and other smart TVs, STBs, projectors, DVDs, AV receivers, etc. The bright OLED screen directly displays the current status and conveniently allows switching different devices. The motion-activated feature can adjust the remote control brightness automatically and save energy to gain extended battery life. It has a unique wheel design that can easily switch devices just with a simple scroll. You must own this Universal U1 remote. With one macro button push, it can output multiple commands. This unique remote control supports 500,000 plus devices from 6,000 plus brands. The database will update as new devices emerge. Number 3, Logitech Harmony All-in-One Remote. The Logitech Harmony All-in-One Remote comes with quite an array of equipment. The remote features a 2.4-inch LCD that's bright, crisp, and responsive to swiping and tapping. It's ideal for quickly accessing and launching activities and is comfortably ergonomic. Another helpful touch is the backlighting of all physical buttons, which can be beneficial in low-light conditions. The remote is meant to sit in the provided charging cradle when not in use. It serves the dual purpose of ensuring your remote is powered up at all times and provides an orderly and attractive way to stow the device. The Harmony Hub is the other critical component in the setup. It's a glossy squarish device that measures 4.07 into 4.91 into 1.05 inches and weighs 3.95 ounces. It's sleek and small enough to place right near your television, which is a good spot if your other AV equipment is nearby. Number 4, Amazon Alexa Voice Remote Pro. The Amazon Alexa Voice Remote Pro uses a device with Alexa, the Alexa app or Fire TV app, and Alexa Voice Remote Pro will emit a ring. It has no searching cushions. It navigates movie night with motion-activated backlight illuminating buttons in dimly lit rooms. It creates shortcuts to favorite channels, apps, or any Alexa commands. It has a new shortcut to the on-screen Bluetooth menu that lets you pair your wireless headphones fast. This control power, volume, plus Surf Live TV with dedicated channel buttons all from one remote. It also uses your voice to find your shows, open apps, manage volume, and even control compatible smart home devices. The Fire TV version is designed to work with Fire TV streaming devices, allowing control of connected TV's volume, power, and mute. It's not universal, aside from the fact that it controls most TV brands. Number 5, Logitech Harmony Elite Remote. The Logitech Harmony Elite has a very high price tag versus other universal remote options. Still, it is also a versatile option, allowing for control of up to 15 devices simultaneously. Logitech lists 270,000 devices that offer compatibility with Elite, including smart home devices, set-top boxes, gaming consoles, and Blu-ray players. As with the other Logitech units listed above, the Harmony Elite includes the Harmony Hub, which manages the connection with smart home devices, such as an intelligent thermostat or lights. And the Hub allows you to use a smartphone app to control your devices. As the Harmony Ultimate discussed earlier, the Harmony Elite Remote has a touchscreen, which allows you to touch a simple command on the screen, such as Watch TV, to activate all associated devices like your smart TV. Thanks for watching this video. Please remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this in the future. And if you have any questions related to the products we listed here, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.